My name is Ajit Varma. I live in Bangalore and have been working since the past 9 years for an international NGO called Operation Smile, which works mainly with children born with cleft lip and palate. So, so I haven't been in hardcore public health, but I've been associated with health for the past 9 years. I must say personally, it's been a fantastic exposure. So every bit of it has been educative, but by and large, I must say it's a great exposure, and I think for somebody who's looking for an introductory exposure to this discipline, um, it's got the exposure, it's got the depth, it's covered quite a bit of a span of subjects. So I would say for a first time learning, it's just ideal. I would say the teaching style consistently has been great. You know, that sort of material makes it easier for the student to take notes and therefore study post the session. I think the ability to connect, you know, through the Hangout sessions or through WhatsApp groups or through Hangout groups is great. But I think it allows for students to reach out when, you know, I've reached out I think once or twice myself when I've been stuck or didn't know, you know, how to progress with an assignment or had a doubt on some subject, and I was able to reach out to somebody and get a response. So I think it's great to have that. I think one thing when I look at the material, and I think it's got 8 modules if I'm not mistaken, it covers quite a breadth of, you know, the subject of public health, and therefore as an introduction, like that's what I wanted. You know, I'd been in health, I've been involved in many aspects of public health, but since my education didn't cover that, I wanted some sort of a framework on which to place my experiences upon, and I think this course allowed me that. So I think the width, and I say it in the context of a newcomer. Uh, the second, I think that the teaching itself has been um thorough. I think it's been pitched at a level where uh, even the newcomer can understand the basic concepts and can relate to what it is, and it allows you enough stimulation that, you know, you could read beyond the subject which is being covered in the class, the reading material which is given, or even beyond that. You know, there's so much material online that, you know, so I think it gives you enough of information and enough to get you interested in the subject, so that if you want to pursue something specifically, you may choose to pursue that on your own or through some institute or whatever. Thanks, nice to be here.